we'll get started with cheese, huh? Because if it's gonna go bad, it's gonna go, we might as well go bad early.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro. What do we got going tonight?
Buddy, we are doing something super cool tonight. We're gonna make tacos without the taco shells.
Oh yeah. I heard we're gonna put it on cheese, but I don't know how the cheese is gonna hold it because cheese is like grated cheese. Like how's it gonna work?
Yeah, well, we're gonna walk through the instructions very carefully.
We've done a jicama, but we've never done cheese.
No, that's right. So this is a cheese shell. These are pork tacos. Everything you're gonna need, and this is super simple. Man, does this meet our criteria?
This one, yeah, we went out of our way to find things that were pre-made or pre-done, and this is super simple. So you gotta stay with us because the next little shot we're gonna do here, we're gonna be showing you all the little ingredients, right?
And when we come back,
we'll show you all the little ingredients.
Yeah. So, stay tuned. Here we are. Look how simple, buddy.
Wow, this looks really simple.
Right? We got cheese, we got some lettuce, we got some taco seasoning that we got right out of the store. In fact, if old El Paso is looking for a couple of gringos to endorse, we're just the guys for the job.
Yeah, less sodium too.
And we got a little less sodium. We got our pork.
Yep.
And then we got, what is this, pork tenderloin?
Yeah, so we're gonna cut this up in real small strips, maybe like cube it, just because we wanna get it in with the seasoning as we're cooking it. And then we've got our guacamole, it called for avocado, but guacamole works. And we've got our pico de gallo, which is our cut up tomatoes, cilantro, little peppers, and it's really good. So basically we'll be putting this on the top of the tacos, the shell, and then this, and then a little lettuce.
Yeah. Well, so what we did was we separated all that cheese. We had 8 ounces of cheese into 8 1-ounce portions, because that's what's gonna make our little taco shells.
I got an idea.
Yeah?
Wanna hear it?
Sure.
Okay, here we go, ready? Look at that.
Okay. So far, so good. Oh, you missed a little there. You gotta turn them over fast. Okay. That looks pretty good, huh?
You take it off. You get them in the right place and take the lid off, and then we'll go into the oven with it, right?
Okay. Why don't you help me? You do 1 row and I'll do 1 row or something. Figure out. You do 4 and I'll do 4. And we'll see. Hopefully they won't run into each other.
Yeah, we don't know if they're gonna run into each other.
We've got the broiler on back there and it's heating up. So we're gonna push this thing in there.
Yep.
And it's only gonna be 5 to 7 minutes. These things should be melted. And we're gonna take them out and we're gonna let them cool on a thing that will form our taco shell.
Let's show them what we got here. So we got our taco shell thing. Look at that. And we're gonna put them on top of that thing.
Either way.
How are
Probably put 1 here and 1 here, but we'll figure it out as we see them because they're not very big.
Yeah, they're gonna drape over here and cool so that they're in the form of a shell, right? And then when you serve them up, you flip them over and you put them in here and the shell is out, right? And then we can.
You leave it this way. Oh, 1 shell goes here.
I like flipping it over. You like flipping it over?
That's the feet there. You got the feet down there, buddy.
All right, so hang with us because we're learning about this stuff as we go. Hey.
For sure. It's a good thing we got more cheese if this goes badly.
You ready to go in the oven with that, buddy?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Ooh, here he goes. He's in the oven. Oh man, he's already jacked it up.
I didn't think that
stuff was slippity sliding all over.
I didn't think the cheese was gonna slide around like that. We are gonna get ready to cut up our pork tenderloin. See, we got 1 pound. So these are each 1/2 pound piece. And we're gonna just cut these bad boys up. We're gonna cube them.
We're going thin.
Trying to go thin. But we're not chefs, so don't hold us to it. Mine's kind of sliding around all over the place. How's yours doing? Yeah.
Mine's doing good. Maybe it's in the, oh yeah, mine's doing too.
Okay, here we go. Now I think we decided we were going to cube these things.
So just go the other way, right?
Yeah, if you can. Mine got all discombobulated, so I'm going to kind of lay it out here, try and get it laid flat a little bit.
Right.
And then I'm going to, maybe I'll go this way.
So we're cubing it up because I want to get a little bit of the surface area in the pan for the seasoning because we're going to use that taco seasoning, right? So we want it to kind of get the flavor all throughout and it'll be cooking on that in that skillet. Same thing here.
Wow.
How'd you do,
I
buddy?
struggled. I struggled. I think I'm a little concerned. I didn't get all the way through. Some of the fat on the outside was kind of
right. We can trim that off a little later if we need to. There you go. Slide it into the pan. So, okay, let's see how my brother did when he put them in here. Oh boy. Look at that. Oh, that looks, hey, just put it right up here, or you can do it here too. Okay, that's fine here. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. That doesn't matter.
No?
No.
Okay.
Stone. Look at that though. Even though they're kind of blended together a little bit, I think they're gonna do okay. They're pretty hot. And look, they're brown. You can make it. You can do it. You can do it.
Hold that down.
That's it. Come on, I'll do it. There. Right away.
Fold it over. One side.
Here we go. Look at that.
Fold it over. Ready?
Look at that. That's
Cool.
easy.
You cool. The cheese cooled pretty quickly.
Yeah, we needed to get that on there quick because I think it's going to be like a tostada if we're not careful.
Yeah, it'll cool and it'll freeze in the flat position, which we don't want.
So, note to self, we could have done it a little bit quicker, but we were kind of waiting for it to cool because we didn't want to get burned or whatever. And now
So now we're gonna let those cool while we cook the pork.
Here's our pork. Look, I covered it. It'll cook a little faster when it covers, but look what happens. We got a little moisture in there, but that's okay because we're adding our taco seasoning and water to the whole mixture. We're gonna make sure that we get all the seasoning on there and get it to cook through. We don't want to use metal implements in this because this is not this is coated, you know, so you don't want to take off the coating. And Ken was worried about some of the stuff sticking together, but look at that, it's all coming right apart because as it's cooked. So no problem there. And we're gonna let this boil off a little bit and then season the pork that's here. And man, we're gonna be ready, buddy.
Yeah. It's about dinner time. It's just about chow time.
Okay, roll in. Look, doesn't that look good?
Oh yeah, the liquid.
It cooked off a little, and it's getting kind of thicker. So it's in the. I'm kind of letting it cook off a little bit. My concern is I don't want the pork to be super dry.
Right.
But we'll see how it turns out. I think it'll be fine.
It doesn't look dry at all to me. It looks like it's swimming.
And then we're gonna
in
go
sauce.
right into this sauce. The sauce in the pan. It's not, not for your normal professional at home. Not everybody can do that, but I just did it. And then we're gonna bring our bowl over because this is what we're gonna serve up.
You can see we got a little taco bar kind of happening.
It looks pretty good. Wow, that looks really good.
We realized when we were off camera that we forgot to chop up any lettuce. So
well, we didn't really have a lot of room. Little tacos in.
So what you could do though, you could make a bowl.
Sure,
And you could use the cheese as like chips, kind of.
Yeah, it can be underneath it or whatever.
So there's a couple of ways to do this, but it looks yummy, and we're
I'm gonna. Hey, listen, I'm gonna watch him eat it. Watch. There it is.
Ready?
He's got it picked up. It's going in. Oh yeah. What do you think?
Really good.
Was it really good?
Yeah.
Wow.
Pretty yummy, huh?
Hey, guys, this is super yummy. The shell came out crispy,
Right?
like a crispy taco. The meat got a lot of seasoning.
Got a lot of guacamole in your beard.
Guacamole in my beard.
So we'd love for you to try this.
Wow.
Give it a whirl. It wasn't nearly as complicated as we were thinking. The cheese piece, it's pretty simple actually. And I think this turned out fantastic.
Hey, I don't have any time for this. I want to go eat.
Okay.
All right. That's one of our best, with my mouth full, recipes yet.
Yeah, this is a winner for sure.
That was super simple, super easy, super tasty.
All right. Don't forget, this is where all the deliciousness is happening. So you got to go over to our YouTube channel. If you're watching this, you're on YouTube already. So just hit the post notifications, turn on subscribe.
Give us a big thumbs up. And then Brothers Bistro is going to be out. Because we got to eat.
We got work to do.